back to my cocktail blog. Today I show you a cocktail which is named Beach Blonde. And the Beach Blonde cocktail is my favorite cocktail with Advocaat, or some other call it Eggnog. But now let's start with our Beach Blonde cocktail. For that I need a blender and I need some crushed ice. I need 180 milliliters of crushed ice. And then I need one banana, and I have to peel my banana because I need an unpeeled banana. And then I need 60 milliliters of Advocaat. Here are my 60 milliliters. And I need 20 milliliters of light rum. And I need 60 milliliters of orange juice. Here are my orange juice, and here are my 60 milliliters of orange juice. And now we will blend it. That's it. And now we will pour our Beach Blonde cocktail inside. And I garnish it with a slice of banana. And of course, we must serve it with some straws. Here we are, the Beach Blonde cocktail, my favorite cocktail with Advocaat. And I say now cheers and goodbye. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel.